Today I discuss logic gates, the chapter name, a new subtopic name. A new subtopic name is logic gates. Nana. Generally, first I discuss electronics are classified into two types. Nana. Generally, electronics are classified into two types. First one is analog circuits. Nana. First one is analog circuits. Nana. Second one is digital circuits. That means digital electronics. Okay. First one is analog electronics. Nana. Next one is digital electronics. What is the difference between analog electronics? What is the difference between digital electronics? I can explain Nana according to one graph. This is time Nana. This is voltage. Voltage can be taken as y-axis. Time can be taken as x-axis. This is the graph Nana. According to this graph, voltage continuously vary with respect to time. Here, voltage vary continuously with respect to time. That electronics are called analog electronics. Nana. Here, I discuss digital electronics. Nana. Here also, I draw the graph. Nana. Voltage and time again. This is the graph Nana. Here. To see the graph, this is low, this is high. This is low, this is high. That means digital electronics only high or low, not continuously vary. That means unte high ఉంటుంది లేకపోతే low ఉంటుంది ఉంటే high లేకపోతే low. In the digital electronics, voltage is high or voltage is low, not continuously changes with time. Here voltage is high or voltage is low. Voltage is low. In this electronics, high voltage is 5 volts, low voltage is 0 volts. Okay. Here, these digital electronics can be used in the digital watches and computers and tabs and electronic gadgets. Digital electronics can be used. Digital electronics are used in the signals also. Signals. The signals means in the roadside traffic signals and digital watches and digital watches and again computers, electronic gadgets. We use digital electronics. In the digital electronics, voltage time graph is high or low. But here, voltage in the analog electronics, voltage vary continuously with respect to time. This is the difference between analog electronics and digital electronics. Actually, this is the Midas building. In the Midas building, base is very strong. Automatically, building is very strong. Here, alane digital electronics also based on the logic gates. Logic gates are building blocks of the digital electronics. Building blocks of the digital electronics. That means here once again I repeat logic gates are building blocks of the digital electronics. And the digital electronics develop అవుతుంది అంటే based on logic gates. That means simply logic gates are building blocks of the digital electronics. ఈ బిల్డింగ్ మంచిగా ఉంది అంటే బ్లాక్స్ పర్ఫెక్ట్గా పెట్టడం వల్ల. అలానే డిజిటల్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ డెవలప్ అయింది అంటే ఓన్లీ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ లాజిక్ గేట్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ లాజిక్ గేట్స్? లాజిక్ గేట్స్ ఈజ్ లాజికల్ రిలేషన్. Logic gates is logical relation between input and output. Once again I repeat, logic gates is the logical relation between input and output. Logical relation I can explain further. In this class only I can explain further. What is the logical relation I can explain. Okay, nana logic gates means logical relation between inputs and outputs nana. And next again in this topic I can explain truth table nana. Truth table nana. Truth table means inputs and outputs are tabulated. This table is called as truth table. Inputs and outputs are tabulated. This table is called truth table. Next nana, these logic gates are based on Boolean algebra. Once again I repeat nana, logic gates are based on Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra. In the Boolean algebra contain only two numbers. One is 0, other one is 1. Nana, logic gates nothing but the building blocks of the digital electronics. That means logical relation between input and output. Input and output are tabulated. The table is called truth table. Logic gates are based on the Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is a mathematics. It contains only two numbers. One is 0, other one is 1. That means, for example, bulb తీసుకున్నామనుకో, 0 అంటే not glow nana. That means not glow. Bulb 1 అంటే glow nana. For example, స్విచ్ తీసుకున్నామనుకోండి, స్విచ్లో నైనా 0 మీన్స్ ఆఫ్ నానా, ఓఆర్ నైనా స్విచ్ మీన్స్ ఆఫ్ నానా, 1 మీన్స్ ఆన్ నానా. అలానే ప్లగ్ కీ తీసుకున్నామనుకోండి, ప్లగ్ కీ తీసుకుంటే ప్లగ్ కీ కూడా ఏంటి అంటే ఆఫ్ నానా, 0 మీన్స్ ఆఫ్ నానా, 1 మీన్స్ ఏంటి అంటే ఆన్ నానా. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏదైనా క్వశ్చన్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, 0 మీన్స్ నో నానా, 1 మీన్స్ ఎస్ నానా. దట్ మీన్స్ సింప్లీ కాల్ యాజ్ 0 మీన్స్ ఇంకొకటి చెప్పొచ్చు నాన్న, 0 అంటే లో నాన్న, 1 అంటే ఏంటి అంటే హై నాన్న. ఓకే నాన్న, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ బల్బు పరంగా చెప్తే 0 అంటే ఏంటి నాట్ గ్లో, 1 అంటే గ్లో. స్విచ్ పరంగా చెప్తే 0 అంటే ఏంటి ఆఫ్, 1 అంటే ఏంటి ఆన్. మరి క్వశ్చన్ పరంగా చెప్తే 0 అంటే నో, 1 అంటే ఎస్. అది యాక్చువల్గా ఏదైనా విషయం పరంగా చెప్తే 0 అంటే లో, 1 అంటే ఏంటి నాన్న హై, 0 అంటే ఏంటి లో, 1 అంటే ఏంటి హై. నాన్న లాజిక్ గేట్స్ ఆర్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ వాట్ జీబ్రా, బూలియన్ ఆల్జీబ్రా. Boolean algebra contains two numbers nana, one is 0, other one is 1. Here in the digital electronics 0 means 0 volts nana, 1 means nana 5 volts nana. 1 means what nana 5 volts. Adha indaga manam cheppindi 0 means low voltage, 1 means nana high voltage. Okay, అందుకే డిజిటల్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ గ్రాఫ్ వచ్చేసరికి నాన్న ఇలా ఉంటుంది నాన్న, ఇది ఇలా ఉందంటే ఎన్ని వోల్ట్స్ నాన్న 0 వోల్ట్స్, ఇది 5 వోల్ట్స్, 0 వోల్ట్స్ 5 వోల్ట్స్. 5 వోల్ట్స్ మీన్స్ హై నాన్న, 0 వోల్ట్స్ మీన్స్ వాట్ నాన్న లో. దిస్ ఈస్ ద డిజిటల్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ గ్రాఫ్ నాన్న, దిస్ ఈస్ ద గ్రాఫ్ నాన్న. లుక్ హియర్, బిలో ఉందంతా 0, అబోవ్ ఉందంతా 5 నాన్న. లో high, low high or high low. 0 means 0 volts nana, 1 means 5 volts. So that's why 0 is called low, 1 is called high nana. Okay nana, next nana I discuss gates are classified into 3 types nana. The T types are called as, first gate is called OR gate, second gate is called AND gate, third gate is called NOT gate. These 3 gates are called as basic gates. Okay, once again, what is the basic logic gates nana? OR, AND, NOT nana. These can be explained today. First gate is called OR gate nana. First gate is called OR gate. Nana, first I write symbol of the OR gate to identify the electronic circuits. This is the symbol here. Look here. This is symbol. This symbol is denoted by OR gate. Here, look here. This is input A, input B. Here, how many inputs are there, Nana? 2 inputs are there, Nana, and only one output is called Y. That means in the OR gate, Nana, 2 inputs are there, only one output is there. Inputs names A and B, output name Y. Next, I write logic gates are depends upon the Boolean algebra. That means Boolean algebra based on Boolean expression. In the here, Boolean expression output equal to, I write 2 inputs A plus B. In the mathematics, it read as A or B. Once again, A or B. Y equal to formula A plus B. Inputs and outputs are tabulated. That table is called truth table. What is the truth table? I can explain. Here A is there. Here B is there. Next, Nana, I write Y equal to A here. This is B, Nana. This write as Y equal to A plus B, Nana. Y equal to A plus B. Here in the Boolean algebra contain only 2 numbers, Nana. 0, 0. 2 numbers 0, 1. I write inputs is given 0, 0. Again 0, 1. OR 1, 0. OR 1, 1. Okay. Here look here, Nana. First one is 0, 0. Second one is 0, 1. Third one is 0, 1, 0. Fourth one is 1, 1. This is the inputs, Nana. Here A plus B. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Here 1 plus 1 and the 2. Logic gates are not a general algebra, Nana. It is a Boolean algebra. Logic gates is nothing but the logical relation between both input and output. Here 1, 1 and that means simply to read here low plus low, low, low plus high, high, high plus low, high, high plus high, high plus high, high. Okay. This last one I can explain by using switches, Nana. I can explain switches, Nana, to see here, Nana. I can explain by using switches to see here, Nana. To see here. This is the switch A. This is the switch B. Battery. Bulb taken as Y, Nana. Y. Okay. Look here, Nana. Current always flow from plus to minus. Here plus to minus. Okay. Here in the according to first option, according to truth table, A value 0, B value 0. A value 0, B value 0 and both are open. 0 means according to switches open. Switches open. 0 means open. 1 means close. 1 means close. Both are initially. First option is A0, B0. Both are open. Open means current does not flow. Bulb does not glow. Bulb does not glow means Y becomes what? 0. Bulb not glow, 0. Glow, 1. Okay. Again, second option I verify. Here A value 0, B value 1. A 0 means it is open. B 1 means it is closed. Closed means current flow here. Bulb glow. Bulb glow means what value? 1. That means here 0, 1. I automatically output is 1. Next I verify third option. A వాల్యూ 1, B వాల్యూ 0. మరి A వాల్యూ 1 మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ క్లోజ్ అయిపోతుంది, ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఓపెన్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓ క్లోజ్ అయిన కానీ కరెంట్ ఫ్లో అవుతుంది. హియర్ కరెంట్ ఆల్వేస్ ఫ్లో ఇన్ ద క్లోజ్డ్ సర్క్యూట్ ప్లస్ టు మైనస్. దట్ మీన్స్ బల్బ్ గ్లో మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఆటోమేటికల్లీ 1. అంటే 1 0 తీసుకుంటే అవుట్పుట్ ఎంత వచ్చింది 1. నెక్స్ట్ నాన్న ఐ టేక్ 1 1 అన్న లాస్ట్ 1 మీన్స్ ఇట్ విల్ బి క్లోజ్. ఇట్ ఆల్సో క్లోజ్ మీన్స్ current here divide nana, this is the parallel combination, it will be add again. Here automatically current flow, bulb is glow means 1. That means 1 automatically 1. That means final option also I verify. That means simply call as what is the Boolean expression in the OR gate? Y equal to A plus B. Nana, A plus B, it read as A over B. This is the verification by using switches in the material to verify by using diodes also. Okay, by using diodes also. Diode is forward bias, the diode conducts the current. Diode is reverse bias, the diode not conducts the current. Okay, that can be using diodes also. This OR gate can be explained. Next I can explain AND gate now.